3, 2, 1, shout time!
So it is no school today. It's Indigenous People Day. And we are playing games. The first game we're playing is Watch This Game.
What about this one? Pick out.
Because you guys are going to watch this game.
This one's stuck.
Oh, kid, she's cheating. I'm not cheating. You want me to do it again?
No, it's fine.
You have
500,000.
I left Kaya. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like So do I get it?
Kaya keeps getting wiped out. What?
Okay, let's play it.
So the next game we are playing today on this Indigenous People
So somebody go
Day,
get a pin.
no school
Day
is.
So let's go get
What's
a pin,
that
guys.
smell?
Somebody go get a pin. Can I go get a pin? Why do I have to get a pin? Because you're closer. No, mommy is.
Why does this stink?
Okay, somebody go get a pin, please. Okay, so today we are going to be making bread and muffin mix. And this is this pumpkin. First you need the mix. If I could cut it open.
Okay.
Okay, so I think that's good enough. Should I use the whole thing? The whole packet? Okay, so I did the mixture. So now we're just gonna get this. Pop that in the sink.
And this is what she's making. Pumpkin bread and muffin mix.
But
She's making, are you making bread or muffins?
trying to make a bread, but
Like a bread loaf. It's gonna be good.
it's probably gonna be a cupcake. But
Oh, a cupcake. Okay.
but
Well, it's gonna be good. It is from Trader Joe's, one of our favorite stores.
and this is how it
Let's
looks
see how
like.
it turns out.
And the ingredients that I use is this whole entire package, 2 large eggs, 1.5 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. So now we just need a pan and some oil or some butter.
Excuse this counter, guys. Filled with pumpkin mix. Let's see how it turns out.
If you want to listen, noise, making me some hot chocolate. Okay, guys, so the muffins slash bread, well, it is slash
Can I get some?
cupcake. Wait, the I guess cup. So this is how it looks decorated. So I'm gonna get a first try. Looks super duper good. So sure. More. This is super duper good. It's well cooked. You can see. Those are the test results. I give it Honestly, I give it a 10 out of 10. Now I'm just gonna eat on this because this is super duper good. You guys should get this from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's pumpkin bread and muffin mix. Just add eggs, oil, and water, and it becomes this yummy stuff. So
we're continuing with cleaning. Kids have no school today. I took off work today because I couldn't leave 5 kids at home. And this is our new fall decor on our coffee table from the dollar store. Yes, everything you see on this table is from the dollar store. So this is the kids' refrigerator. Today is Monday. The kids do not have school today. So what I am doing is getting ready for my meal planning, breakfast, lunch, dinner for the week, and taking inventory. So I see what they're working with for breakfast, and then I'll just jot down what they will have for the week. Okay. I just go through some of these things. So, Greek yogurt, I usually use this for breakfast. So we will make yogurt parfaits with that. Grapes go with their lunch. Bread, lunch meat sandwiches, and I usually get 1 to 3 of these biscuits a week. Sometimes it's not always Trader Joe's. It may be Walmart or the dollar store. With these, we just make breakfast sandwiches out in the morning. They can just pop them in the toaster and be ready for school. Yeah, and with the just chicken, I usually just cook this with pasta and Alfredo and some broccoli, and that would be their main entree for lunch. The kids are at school all day. They go to school they usually get dropped off at about between 7:30, 7:55, sometimes 8:03. That means they're late. School bell rings at 8 o'clock, and 1 minute late, they're late. So they're at school all day from 8 until about 6. Mondays and Wednesdays they're there until about 8 because the middle school girls have volleyball practice. So I tend to pack their lunch heavily so they'll have something to eat recess, lunchtime, and after school program, as well as snack for volleyball practice. So yeah, they're there all day. So I try to pack some protein and just keep them refreshed for the day. So here's a sample of what my weekly meal plan roughly looks like. I break down breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the week. I try to do 1 soup or 1 casserole a week, but this week I'm just not. I think we kind of burnt out on that. So this week we're switching it up, and as you can see, for breakfast we will be having, the kids will be having breakfast biscuit sandwiches tomorrow. Wednesday will be hash brown patty with an egg. Thursday we yogurt parfait, and then Friday boiled egg with chicken sausage. And then for the lunch, which is just a main entree, which is easier for me because sides is just chips and like juice, water, crackers. We just put to the to add with their main entree. But the main entree is the main thing for me, as long as I know they have their protein and their carbs. So chicken Alfredo starts tomorrow for their lunch. And Wednesday will be turkey and cheese sandwiches. Same thing Thursday, and then Friday we'll switch up to peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter jelly is pretty tricky because we have 2 kids who do not like jelly, so it'll just be a peanut butter sandwich. And it'll be a special treat for my 4-year-old who loves peanut butter and jelly. And then dinner starting tomorrow will be brown sugar garlic chicken with mashed potatoes and peas. And then Wednesday be chicken with mushroom soup, mashed potatoes and peas. And then making it a fun day on the 17th, which is Thursday, and it's breakfast food. Kids love it when we switch it up in the week for them. And then Friday, I call it Fend for Yourself Friday, but usually we just provide pizza and some fun food. Pizza, wings, ice cream, and they just help themselves. So that's what the schedule looks like for this week. I'll post every week what our schedule will look like, our meal plan. I know a lot of moms do about a month, and I just have to do week by week. I'm thinking now to do every 2 weeks, but well, for now I'm sticking to week by week. And our family of 7 and has their own schedules, and yeah. So just comment below, what do you do for meal planning with your family?
What is that? Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a short video, but that's all I had for today. And as you can see, we have some leftovers. And this is my hot chocolate. If you guys enjoy, like, comment, and share. And go follow my Instagram. It's gonna be linked in the description. And yeah, bye guys.